February is one of the most underrated months for dropshipping, and if you know what to sell, it can be extremely profitable. In this video, I'm going to break down dropshipping products that are already selling right now, backed by data, not guesses. So here is exactly what you'll see in this video. Proven February winning products with real sales data. How much these products sell for and how much profit they generate. Where they're sourced from and how to validate them. Why these products work specifically during the colder season and the upcoming Valentine's Day. All the products in this video are verified using Zeek Analytics, so you can see what's actually working in real dropshipping stores. Okay, so let's jump straight into the first product. All right, so let's start off with the first product, and it is the Plant Growth LED Light. This is the perfect product to target plant lovers and even people who are just getting into a new hobby. You simply place this LED light into a pot, and it provides light that imitates natural sunlight. Especially during the colder months when temperatures drop and people start growing plants indoors, this type of LED grow light becomes extremely useful, which makes it a strong, seasonal, and evergreen product. I found this Plant Growth LED light being sold in this Shopify Dropshipping store. As you can see, the store sells it for $14.99, and when I added it to the checkout, I could see an additional $9.99 shipping fee, bringing the total price to $24.98. Now, instead of guessing whether this product is actually selling, I'll use a data-based approach. I'll copy the store URL, open Zeek Analytics, go to the store sales tracker, paste the URL, and click search. Here, I get a full analysis of the store, including data Shopify doesn't publicly share. And when it comes to this specific product, I can see that it sold 98 units in the last 30 days. Next, let's check sourcing. I'll click the item finder tool, and I can see multiple exact matches on AliExpress. So let's go ahead and choose this one. This is the exact same product, and it costs $5.59 plus $1.99 for shipping because it is a choice product that costs less than $10, which brings the total sourcing cost to $7.58. Now let's talk about profit. The selling price is $24.98, including shipping. Shopify fees are 2.9% plus 30 cents, which comes out to $1.02. The sourcing cost is $7.58. That means the profit per sale is $16.38. With 98 sales in the past 30 days, this store generated approximately $1,605 of profit before ads and operational expenses, all from a single product sourced entirely from AliExpress. The next product is a vacuum wine bottle cap. A very practical item that fits perfectly with the colder days of the year when people spend more time at home and prefer to enjoy drinks indoors. This product is especially great for beginners, and it works very well for kitchen or gadget dropshipping stores. I found this product being sold in a dropshipping store. The store is selling this elegant vacuum wine bottle cap for $14.95. At first glance, it might look like a low-ticket item, but wait until you see the sourcing price. After scanning this store using Zeek Analytics store sales tracker, I can see that this product sold 65 times in the past 30 days. Next, I clicked on the item finder tool and found the same exact product on AliExpress. The sourcing price is $5.26 plus $1.99 for shipping, which brings the total sourcing cost to $7.25. Now let's talk about profit. If the store sells this product for $14.95 and the sourcing cost is $7.25, that means the profit per sale is $7. With 65 sales in the past 30 days, this product generated approximately $455 in monthly profit. This is a great example of a small, inexpensive product that works perfectly as an add-on product. Easy to sell, simple to fulfill, and the idea for boosting your overall store revenue is perfect. So we've covered the first two products, and what do you think about them? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're enjoying this video so far, it would really mean a lot to me if you could like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to use the same tools I'm using to discover and validate winning products using data, you can start using Zeek Analytics today. The next product is the Pilates Toning Bar Rope, and this is a great one, especially for the winter season when people prefer to work out at home while staying in shape. It's easy to set up, beginner-friendly, and perfect for home workouts, which make it a strong product with wide buyer demand. I found this product being sold in this dropshipping store. Now, this store is selling it for $36, which I'd say is a very solid price point for a fitness product like this. After scanning this store using the Zeek store sales tracker, I could see that this product was sold 93 times in the past 30 days. Now, let's look at sourcing. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the item finder and look for the exact or similar matches. And I can already see several exact matches. So let's go with this one. This product can be sourced for $5.52 plus $8.01 for shipping, bringing the total sourcing cost to $13.53. Now let's talk about profit. Selling the product for $36 with a sourcing cost of $13.53
means the store is making $21 profit per sale after Shopify fee.
With 93 sales in the past 30 days, this product generated approximately $1,953 in monthly profit. And the best part, demand for this product is currently at its peak, and social media engagement around Pilates and home workouts is extremely high. That makes right now a great time to add this product to your dropshipping store. The next product is perfect as a gift item, and it can be marketed especially well as a creative Valentine's Day gift, which makes it very relevant for February. This is one of those products where both organic and paid ads work extremely well. If you position it as a unique Valentine's Day gift and simply show it in action, you already have a strong marketing angle. The product is a levitating magnetic planter, which creates the illusion that the plant is floating in midair. Visually, this product does most of the selling for you. Just showing it rotating and floating instantly grabs attention. I found this product being sold in this dropshipping store. As you can see, this store is selling it for $75.99. After scanning this store using the Zeek store sales tracker, I can see that this product was sold 103 times in the past 30 days, which is a strong signal of product market fit for a Shopify dropshipping store. Now, let's look at sourcing. I found the same product on AliExpress here. As you can see, the sourcing price is $54.83 plus $2.66 for shipping, bringing the total sourcing cost to $57.49. When it comes to profit, that means the dropshipping store is making around $19 per sale. With 103 sales in the past 30 days, this product generated approximately $1,957 in monthly profit. This is a great example of a high perceived value gift product, visually impressive, easy to market, and perfectly timed for seasonal promotions like Valentine's Day. The next product is one that's making a strong comeback, especially during the colder months: the Himalayan Salt Lamp. These lamps are popular because they create a warm, calming atmosphere with a soft glow that helps people relax. Many buyers use them in bedrooms or workspaces to improve mood and reduce stress. On top of that, they also work as a natural decorative piece, adding a cozy and peaceful feel to any room. I found this product being sold in this dropshipping store. Now, as you can see, the store is selling it for $39.99 Canadian dollars,
which is around $29 US.
After scanning this store using Zeek's store sales tracker, I can see that this product was sold 52 times in the past 30 days. Now, let's look at sourcing. Using the item finder tool, I found the exact match here on AliExpress. Now, the sourcing price is $14.35 with free shipping. That means the profit per sale is approximately $13.50. With 52 sales in the past 30 days, this product generated around $702 in monthly profit. This is a great example of a seasonal comeback product, simple to source, easy to market, and consistently appealing during colder times of the year. The next product has a short buying season, but it can generate very high sales in a short amount of time, and that's exactly why it's so powerful. This Rose Bear is one of the best products to sell around Valentine's Day. It really has everything. It's cute, emotional, gift ready, and it's very hard to mess up on a present like this. If someone wants a gift that can't go wrong, this one's it.
I found this product being sold in a dropshipping store for about $70 US.
The Rose Bear they're selling is 40 centimeters in size, which is the most popular version. After scanning this store using the Zeek store sales tracker, I can see that this product was sold 39 times in the past 30 days. And based on the seasonality, it's very likely that sales will continue increasing as we get closer to Valentine's Day, usually peaking about 7 to 10 days before the holiday. Now let's look at sourcing. I'll click on the item finder and check if we can source the same product profitably from AliExpress. And honestly, it's a great find. The exact same 40 centimeter Rose Bear can be sourced for $16.87 from AliExpress. Now let's talk about profit. Selling this product for around $70 with a sourcing cost of $16.87 means the store is making $50 of profit per sale. With 39 sales in the past 30 days, that comes out to approximately $1,950 in monthly profit. This is a perfect example of why seasonal products can be absolute game changers when you list and market them early enough before the event itself. The next product is a great option for kids' education, especially when it comes to helping children wake up on time in a fun and friendly way. This Bluetooth speaker kids alarm clock has a cute design that kids love, and parents are usually happy to pay for products that help build good routines, especially when the product looks friendly and fits a child's room. And I found this product being sold in the following dropshipping store. Now, the store is selling this kids alarm clock for $39.99, which are Canadian dollars, which is around 29 US dollars. It also comes in multiple color variations, which is very important when selling products for kids. After scanning this store, I can see that the product was sold 58 times in the past 30 days. Now, let's look at sourcing. Using the item finder tool, I found several exact matches on AliExpress. So let's check out this one. This is the same exact product. It cost $8.53 plus $1.99 for shipping because it's an AliExpress choice product under $10. That brings the total sourcing cost to $10.52. Now let's talk about profit. Selling the product for $29 with a sourcing cost of $10.52 means the profit per sale is about $19 after Shopify fees. With 58 sales in the past 30 days, the product generated approximately $1,102 in monthly profit. This is a solid example of a kid-friendly product, educational, visually appealing, easy to market, and backed by real sales data. So now you've seen some of the top performing Shopify products for February, all backed by real data, from sourcing and pricing to actual sales and profit potential. The biggest takeaway here is simple. Successful dropshipping isn't about luck or hype. It's about timing, seasonality, and data. When you combine all three, finding winning products becomes much easier. If you enjoyed this video or found even one product idea useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep making content like this. And if you want to use the same tools I'm using to discover and validate winning products using data, you can start using Zeek Analytics today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.